The uncle of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he went to Medina Munawwara and he spoke to the people of Ansar, what was the first thing he said to the people of Ansar? He said to the people of Ansar, I am about to give you my nephew. What will you do for my nephew, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam? And the people of Ansar asked, Ya Muhammad alayhi salam, what is it that you need from us? What do you want from us? And the Prophet ﷺ said that I want you to defend me like you defend your family. I want you to spend your money on me and this deen like the way you spend your money on your family. I want you to say the truth even if the truth is uncomfortable. And I want you to stand by haqq even if the haqq is very hard to stand by. And the companions and the Ansar, they asked, Ya Rasulullah, if we are able to fulfill this obligation to you, what will we get in return? The Nabi of Allah replied, oh, the people of Ansar, in return you will get Jannah. The companions of Rasulullah stood up and they screamed, Allahu Akbar. And one of the companions, they said, Rabi